If you love wine like I love wine, you have to check out bighammerwines.com. I have spent many an hour staring at the wall of wines in the local grocery store, sometimes the liquor store. I always see the same selection, the same prices. I've recently been kind of uninspired with my selection. Then I found bighammerwines.com. They have such a great selection and variety. They deliver right to your doorstep, and they have wines from all over the world. I think they also have stuff from France, Spain, Italy, Chile, Portugal, and from California. I love reds. I got the 6-pack of the reds, and I'm so excited. This red blend right here is literally delicious. It's from Sonoma Valley. The way that they work is that they just buy in wholesale, kind of like Costco, but they have much wider selection for you to choose from, and they sell directly to the public. I think majority of the wines that they have listed have 90+ ratings. You guys need to check this company out. I highly recommend it. I've loved every wine that I've tried with them so far. Check out bighammerwines.com today.